Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness Planner in the weekly section for the week of October 14th through the 20th using this Halloween with Edgar kit by ShineStickerStudio for our YouTube Collab Loop group. As I said, this is part of the YouTube Collab Loop group, so if you are new to the Loop group or if you are just now joining us, then hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to pen pal things to art prompt journal books, lots of things for you guys to check out. So if you're interested in seeing what I share, you can check out the description box below. There will be various playlists related to each category of my planning styles, and I will leave my Hobonichi Cousin Health and Wellness playlist at the end of this video so you guys can see that if you want to see all the different things that I've done in this planner. As you can see, she is quite chunky. It is only middle of October and it's already full, and we have quite a bit of daily pages left to go. So yeah, like I said, this is part of the YouTube Collab Loop group, so welcome if you are new, and if you are returning, welcome back. I hope you guys are enjoying our cat themed videos for the loop. I chose this kit because, first of all, I love Edgar the cat from ShineStickerStudio. I think he's super, super cute. It also would fit perfectly for our candy themed loop because of the like deco that we have here. There's tons of candy, but I thought Edgar the cat, obviously I have to use it for this loop. This kit is one of the newer releases, so if you guys are wanting to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan15. It will save you 15% off of ShineStickerStudio's website, and I would appreciate it if you would mention my name in the comments if there's a sale so that they know that I sent you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the loop. All right, y'all, I haven't done a Hobonichi Cousin plan with me on this channel in a while, so I feel very out of it for planning in this planner on camera. I usually plan on my Reels tab, so I feel very out of it for this. I'm going to start with the washi, and I think I'm actually going to cut a little bit off so that we can still use our sidebar. So if you aren't familiar with how I use this planner, this is where I write down anything health related that I want to remember. So for example, I will write down my meals, like my meal list for the week, not my meals for the individual days. That's actually where I track in my, I track that in my daily page section. And if you guys are wanting to see how I decorate those, there are plenty of videos out so you can see how I have been using those daily pages. But this planner is all about health and wellness. And then we'll continue over here on this side. Y'all, I use CapCut for editing on my videos, and I lost the ability because, like, before the updates happened, I don't know if this is like a newer update or if it's just my computer is slow. I used to be able to do something called, what is it? Reduce noise. So any noise that you hear in the background was able to be canceled out, but that is not available through the free version anymore. So I have to turn off my fan when I'm filming now, because you can hear like a little humming noise sometimes, and it is very hot in my room now because I had to turn off my fan so that I could not have that noise bother me. Yeah, you're welcome for sharing that information with you. You probably didn't care, but I thought I would tell you because I'm just weird. Okay, so the loops. Did I do this wrong? Oh, I did. Friday's supposed to come before Thursday. I was too distracted by telling you guys how hot I was. Anyways, the loops. So if you are new, then basically what you'll do is you'll watch my video all the way through, and then you will click on the link in the description of my video, and I will have the next creator linked. We would appreciate any and all support that you guys can give us. So from liking to subscribing, hopefully, if you enjoy our content, to commenting on the videos, telling us what you guys are liking about the loop. Anything and everything you can to help us out would be super appreciated. So I hope you guys are enjoying them. I really like doing themed loops. I'm gonna miss them for a little bit because I have to focus on my health and getting things back on track personally. So I'm going to be stepping back at least until the beginning of 2024. I don't know if I'm going to be able to return. We're going to see. I've got some personal things going on in my life, which you guys have been following me for a little bit. You may already be aware of it, but yeah, that's the state of me. I'm still going to be doing videos on here. You're still going to see them. It's just the loops I'm going to have to stop for a little bit, which makes me really sad. But, you know, sometimes you have to do what's best for you, and unfortunately, that's just the one thing that I have to cut. So, yeah. Anyway, this is not going to say to do. I actually want to get a script. I don't know if I have a script that says work. Actually, I might. Not work, I'm sorry, meals. Okay, so this script is actually from Redhead Stickers. Don't tell anybody. But I don't have a script from Shine that says meals at the current moment. Doesn't mean I won't have one eventually, but right now this is just gonna have to work. It's kind of similar writing, so I'm not really too concerned. So we've got that. Okay. Now let's get to the stickers. I think we are going to do a little layering here. Start off with our orange Edgar. I love this kit. It is so adorable. I love the little Edgar. I love all of it. Let's do, oh, I can't do the blue. Ding dang. Okay, hold on. We will do this blue kitty. Put him down here. I also forgot to mention, continuing my discussion of what I use this planner for, I track my steps for like work, because I work outside, and I am, if you don't know, I currently work for PhotoPass in Magic Kingdom. So I work for Disney, woohoo. So I track my steps here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm missing one. I need another. I'm gonna put pink here. Oopsie. Dang, I don't want to use multiple pinks. It's fine. I'm gonna put it here anyway. I didn't want to have pink and pink, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. Oh goodness, and then there's green. Well, heck. Okay, I found another one that I can use. It's not quite the same color scheme, but it works out for, I only need it for 5 days because I only, you know, work 5 days in the week. So we are fine with this. Anyway, I track my steps. I keep getting distracted. As you can tell, I'm not very good with talking and planning at the same time sometimes, which is kind of funny because that's what I'm supposed to do. It's kind of my thing, you know? Anyway, I track my steps. I track my mental state. So sometimes I am sad, sometimes I am happy. I have a mood tracker that I actually do use. I'm gonna put this green one. Oh, I was gonna put it here. We're gonna put it down here. I have a mood tracker that I will use, but I write down like how my day went, as far as like, did anything go wrong? What was I feeling? Stuff like that. Just to see if there is a change in my mood, if I have mood swings or anything like that, is pretty much what I track. I did not want to do that. So, sorry, Ghost Kitty, you're getting moved. And you're gonna get put here. Okay. We'll put Ghost Kitty there. Oh, this is looking so cute. Groceries is the other one that I want to make sure I have here. So let's use, what colors do we have left? Red. We have red left. We'll use that one. And oh, look at all these. We have plenty of those. Okay, I think I'm going to grab at least one of these black checklists. So I also, as you can see, I track my groceries on here. So I write my grocery list because I don't really have another place to put it. So I thought, you know what, I might as well track it on my health planner because it kind of all goes together. I also write in here if there is anything major happening in life as far as like health concerns, like if I am, you know, the female stuff, things like that, I will write in here as well to kind of see how things are going. Okay, this is another script from Redhead Stickers. There we go, we got groceries. So I will write down basically just anything. I know I'm so great at explaining things, you guys. I'm doing fantastic. I'm really not. Okay. These boxes, I just write down literally whatever. I don't have a specific plan for what I write down. Sometimes in my planners, if I feel like writing my food intake, like how I'm doing food-wise, like my calories or my protein count or whatever, I will write that in, but it's very rare that I'll do that. Sometimes if I just need to fill up space, I will. Okay. I'm going to put this one like this. Okay. I don't need to use all of these boxes. I could definitely save some of them, but might as well, right? Yeah, we'll use this one. Not the same face though. We'll use the suspicious looking one. I love that face. He's like, what are you doing? We'll use blue right there. Okay. I'll use this orange one here. And green, and this blue one can go. I'm gonna flip it over, and then we will add and put red over here. See, there we go. Things are making more sense. Oh, look at how cute this is, you guys. Okay, we have to add more cuteness. We have to add all of the fun. Oh, that's all squished together. We'll use Boo. Okay. Put it there. I was making sure I didn't have, oh, I do have it over there, but you know what, it's fine. I'll put him there. And then since he's here, I'm going to put this one over here. Look at how cute this is turning out to be. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is adorable. I need a different color. Let's use the candy corn. Oh, we already have candy corn right there. Ding dang. Okay. We'll use the, I'm running out of finger space. Use the little eyeballs. Should we put, no, we'll use these ones. And I'm going to use this purple one because why not? Whoops. Oh, this is so cute. There. Little candy corn action there. Grab a little popsicle. Little sucker. Boop. And we'll do another one over here. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. I love this. Okay, should we put, I'm just here for the candy somewhere? Kind of thinking maybe right here. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Well, I feel like that spread is done. What do you guys think? Do you agree? All right, everyone, I am obsessed with how this looks. I love this. This is so cute. That is it for this week in my Hobonichi Cousin health and wellness pages for the week of October 14th through the 20th. I really hope you guys enjoyed my take on the cat theme. I really love this kit. I'm obsessed with ShineStickerStudio, and I have been for a really long time. I'm just blessed to be able to be on their PR team, and I am so appreciative of being on their team. I really, really love how this kit looks. It's so freaking cute. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post new videos. Don't forget to check out ShineStickerStudio. She is on Etsy and on an actual website, so I will leave all of their information in the description box below, including their newsletter, their YouTube, their Instagram, their Facebook page, all of that. They're very, very active on social media, so I highly recommend you guys go check them out, give them all the love and support, and don't forget, if you want to save some money, you can use my code. It is Megan15. Don't forget to check out everybody else in the loop, support all of the creators and their amazing hard work, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.